so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. I was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, I had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. Did I do? In the middle of sex, then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right.
Okay, you know when your face itches you but you got makeup on. Hello my darling Fumi Nation, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my lovies. What am I wearing? I am wearing an old Zara dress. This used to be my airport dress. And it's kind of sort of big. So now, hold on, because I have my heels here. I should put those ones on. There you go, kind of 80s vibe. These are the pockets I live and I love. Turning around, there you go. I thought, why not put some color on today because it's a little dreary outside. Okay, so why are we here, my darlings? We are here because you, Fumi Nation, have brought two YouTuber stories that you want me to cover. We have none other than Nikki Thot. Nikki Thot is expecting a baby. Yes, she is. Again, it was Fumi Nation that let me know about a month ago that she was with child. And for those of you that don't know Nikki Thot is an Australian YouTuber, influencer, beautiful girl with two gorgeous daughters, of whom she had in her previous relationship, Jamie. She and Jamie were the OG of YouTube in those days, and also because they were an interracial family just like ours. And they were wonderful together. Needless to say, it was not to be. I covered the stories here on YouTube. I think it was last year. And it's wonderful to see Nikki smiling, to see her glowing. This is life. Again, I'm your big sister, and I have gone through one or two things and danced around the moon a couple more times than I chose to care for. Life will move on, and you will laugh again, and you will dance again, and you will fall in love again, and the sun will come out again. You just have to have the strength to continue to believe that your time will come, and her time has come. And I want to extend a salute to her partner. Congratulations, my darling nephew. Congratulations for welding her heart back again. There's nobody that does not need love. Everything comes from love. Everything is born from love. And to see her smile again and laugh again, God bless you for that, for letting my little niece smile again. And I love how she is vlogging and she is at home with her life, because that is what I wish for all of you. I also want to give a special thank you, because there is no mother, and that includes Nikki, that would not have a relationship with her man if she does not feel that man is wonderful to her children. You see, for me, I don't care if you don't say happy birthday to me, but all of the birthday wishes you give to Adrian, you're also giving to me. What you do for my child, you do for me. Facts. What you do for my child, to my child, you do for me, you do to me. So I know she's made the right choice, because she loves those kids. I was taking Adrian to school last week, and it was traditional day. So I put on a dashiki, of which Fumi Nation had given him, and he loves it so very much. There are twin little boys. I think they're a year or two younger than Adrian, and they are also going to the nursery. There's a nursery in the school. The father is not there, but the partner of the mother is there, and he takes the children to school every single day, every single morning, and we laugh and we talk and everything. On this day, I saw the partner take the boys to school, and they were in their traditional African robes. It touched my heart. And I said to him, "Oh, they're in their traditional robes." And he said, "Yes, I believe that this is their heritage, and their father would have loved for them to be in their traditional robes." It taught me something again and again and again and again in this life. It's not the children you give birth to that makes a difference. It's the children you raise. So I'm very proud of you that you have taken on this huge responsibility. Always respect Jamie because Jamie is the father, and honor him in these beautiful girls all the time. And you also father them because you love their mother. That is a blended family. That is a blended family. That's the best family, because the children grow up with all the options, because it's not black and white, because it's everything that shows us love. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification button, my darlings. And I will see you sooner than later. All of my love. And thank you, Fumi Nation, for bringing these beautiful stories to me. I'll keep you updated.